Huawei continues to lead the way in foldable technology, and the Huawei Pura X is the latest testament to its engineering excellence. Combining a sleek, modern design with cutting-edge features, this foldable smartphone offers a perfect balance of style, power, and functionality. Whether you're a multitasker, a photography enthusiast, or someone who craves an innovative smartphone experience, the Pura X is built to impress. The Huawei Pura X sets a new standard in foldable smartphone design with its premium aerospace-grade aluminum frame and ultra-slim profile. The advanced hinge mechanism ensures a seamless folding experience with minimal creasing, giving the device a polished and futuristic appeal. The back panel features a satin-textured finish, making it comfortable to hold and resistant to fingerprints. The IPX8 water resistance adds an extra layer of durability, allowing you to use the device confidently in various conditions. The Huawei Pura X features a stunning 6.3-inch LTPO OLED main display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, delivering 2K resolution and a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels, making it ideal for watching content, gaming, and multitasking. On the outside, Huawei has introduced a 3.5-inch cover display with a 1:1 aspect ratio, allowing users to quickly glance at notifications, control music, or even capture selfies without unfolding the phone. This compact screen enhances usability and adds to the device's overall efficiency. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura X is powered by the latest Harmony OS 5, delivering a smooth and intuitive user experience. The optimized software allows for seamless multitasking, enhanced security, and improved energy efficiency. With smart AI enhancements, the device learns user habits and optimizes app performance accordingly. Huawei has always been at the forefront of mobile photography, and the Pura X continues this legacy. It boasts a triple camera system, including a 50MP main sensor for stunning detail and clarity, a 40MP ultra-wide lens for expansive shots, and an 8MP telephoto sensor with 3.5x optical zoom for distant photography. Thanks to AI-powered image processing, features like Super Night Mode and Ultra HDR ensure that every shot looks professional, even in challenging lighting conditions. The 4720 mAh battery on the Huawei Pura X ensures all-day usage, whether you're streaming, gaming, or working on the go. It supports 66W wired fast charging, getting you back to full power in no time, while 40W wireless charging adds the convenience of cable-free charging. The device also supports reverse wireless charging, allowing you to power up other compatible gadgets effortlessly. The Huawei Pura X is packed with extra features that enhance the user experience. The enhanced stereo speakers deliver rich, immersive audio, making movie watching and gaming more enjoyable. Advanced face recognition and an under-display fingerprint sensor provide fast and secure unlocking. Additionally, 5G connectivity ensures ultra-fast browsing, streaming, and downloads, keeping you connected at all times. So, that was a complete look at the Huawei Pura X, a foldable phone that blends premium design, cutting-edge camera technology, and powerful performance into one sleek package. With its stunning dual displays, top-tier cameras, long-lasting battery, and seamless Harmony OS 5 experience, this device is a game-changer for those who want innovation and style in a single foldable form factor. But what do you think? Is the Huawei Pura X the future of foldable smartphones? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, Subscribe to Tech Explorer and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay tech savvy.